Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be solving this question where we have 2 to the power of 100 minus 2 to the 99 minus 2 to the 98, and let's see how we can figure this out. The first clue to solve these kind of questions is that we try to make the same exponent in these ones. That way we can factor and it would be much easier. So first way is just to keep the smallest exponent and try to make the other ones like that. Let's try this one, see what happens. So we have 2 to the power of 100, and instead of 100 we can do 98 plus 2. For 2 to the 99 we have 2 to the power of 98 plus 1, and we can keep 2 to the 98 the way it is. And we know when we have a to the m plus n, this will be equal to a to the m times a to the n. So we're gonna use that in each of these, and if we do that we'll have 2 to the 98 times 2 to the 2. The same thing for the second one times 2, and the last one is simply just 2 to the 98. And now we'll see that we can factor 2 to the 98 in all of this. And if we do that from the first one, we have 2 squared. In the second one, we have 2. In the last one, we have 1. And what we get is 2 to the 98. And let's see what we have inside of the parentheses. We have 4 minus 2 minus 1, which is 1. And the answer will be 2 to the 98. That was one way. The other way is to go with the greatest exponent, 2 to the 100. I would try to make negative ones. That would probably make it more complicated than this one is. So instead of going with this one, we're gonna keep the 2 to the 100, and instead of 99 we will have 100 minus 1, and instead of 98 we will have 100 minus 2. So we'll have 2 to the 100 minus 2 to the 100 times 2 to the minus 1 minus 2 to the 100 times 2 to the minus 2, and this will be from the first one. If we factor 2 to the 100 in here, I will have 1 from the first one. Second one, we have minus, when we have a to the power of minus b, we know this will be equal to 1 over a to the b. So we'll have 1 over 2, and the last one will have 1 over. So now if we get the first one we will have 4, second one we will have 2, and the last one, and this would give us 1 over 4, or we will have 200 divided by 4, which is 2 to the 2, and this will give us 2 to the 98, which is the same answer. I was saying going with the lowest power is easier. We don't need to deal with ratios in here, but at the end of the day we'll get the same answer and not that much of a difference. And that would be all for this one. Thanks for watching. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.